Now what we'll be doing is we will be adding, committing, and pushing to our GitHub account. For that, we open up git bash, and we'll also learn what is add, commit, and push, of course. We will cd into our project, which is hello. Now we just create a new file, touch index.html. Touch creates a new file, so index.html. We see now this has been created, this index.html file. So now we run the command git status, git status. Now we can see that we have an untracked file, and what this is, origin, this is our remote repository, okay? And master is our current branch. We'll talk about this later, okay? This will confuse you right now, but believe me, it will become a piece of cake once you're comfortable with it. Okay, so now let's add this. Now what this adding does is it helps Git to track this index.html. First of all, it was untracked. Now this command git add and then the name of the file, it helps .git, this hidden folder, to keep track of index.html. So now basically index.html is being tracked by Git. Next, what command comes is git commit. Okay, this comes with this /m, which stands for message. And in the message, let's write created index. Okay. So now what this commit does is it makes this index ready to be published to origin, which is GitHub. Okay, it's our account in GitHub. So that's basically it. Now let's see by making some changes in index. Okay, let's give a heading and save it. Okay, now let's get back to our bash. Now let's write git status. Now we can see that we have modified index.html, which is very true. We added a header one, hello. Okay, so now we should again do this git add, and we can also, okay, let me talk about that later. Git add index.html, then let's second do git commit one, git commit added h1 to index. Okay, so now we can check the status once again. Now it's nothing to commit. Okay, so our working tree is clean. Git is tracking every files in our repository, and we're good to go ahead. Now, one thing which may pop in your mind, we have made all these commits. Now which command can make us find all these commits together? That's log command, git log. Okay, so here we can see all the commits, and this is a unique reference ID of all the commits. Okay, these ones, and it also gives the time. It's really handy one. It also gives your email and username which you first set up, remember? Okay, this is all. Now to push this change in your GitHub account, we have to write this piece of code. Just mug it up right now. I'll explain it to you later. Git push. Push is the command. Origin, then master. Okay. So now if we go back to our hello repository in our GitHub and we refresh this, we can see the index.html has been added. And if we open it, we can see the h1 hello, which we just wrote a few moments back. That's all.